Hi, welcome back to DivineTimesTwo, where we love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like and or find useful. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make cream of chicken using chicken bone stock. I make two versions of cream of chicken, one with milk and the other with almond milk. To make this cream of chicken, I use my homemade bone stock. I will link the video to the recipe at the end of this video. This cream of chicken is very savory and delicious. I'm excited to show you this recipe, so let's get started. In a small pot, I am going to add 3 tablespoons butter and 3 tablespoons of chicken fat that I skimmed off the chicken stock. I'm going to let those melt. I am cooking this at medium-low heat. The butter and the chicken fat has melted, so now I am going to add 6 tablespoons flour. Mix. Now I am making a roux. I'm making sure that there's no clumps. All the flour is incorporated into the fat. I am going to cook this for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to continue to stir or whisk. I am using 1 cup of the chicken stock that I made. Okay, this is ready. It's been cooking for 2 minutes, and now slowly I am going to add the chicken stock. Now this chicken stock is at room temperature. Stir until it is thickened. It has thickened, and now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Now I'm going to add the cup of milk, room temperature, and continue to stir or whisk until it thickens up. Okay, this is done. Looks really good. It smells fabulous. Once again, I have 3 tablespoons chicken fat from the stock I made and 3 tablespoons butter. Okay, I'm going to let that melt, and I am at medium-low heat. Now that the butter has melted, I am adding 6 tablespoons flour and whisk. Remember, you don't want bits of flour or raw flour in there. So this is going to cook about 2 minutes. At this point, I am slowly going to add the room temperature stock. Now it's going to become thick as it cooks. See, it's already becoming thick. At this point, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, ground black pepper. And stir it in. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 cup almond milk, and this is also at room temperature. And whisk. And once again, it will become thick. This is a very nice color. It almost looks like gravy. All right, this is thick. And remember, as it cools, it will get thicker. So I've cooked this for about 3 minutes. It's ready, and I'm going to take it off the heat. I am going to taste each, and let's see if there's a difference in flavor, because remember, one is made with almond milk and the other with whole milk. All right, let's try the whole milk. That's delicious. Very tasty, creamy. It's very good. Let's see. They're both excellent. The one with whole milk is thicker than the one with almond milk, but they taste exactly the same. They're delicious. I really wouldn't know the difference. Both of these versions of cream of chicken are wonderful. They are full of flavor, and if you make it with bone stock, it will be extra savory. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.